Hello everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Pokémon Go's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Pokémon Go's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Pokémon Go application. The home page of Pokémon Go application will appear on the screen. You can sign up for your Pokémon Go's account using your Facebook, Google or Trainer Club's account as well. Tap on any one of the option. Here I'm going to choose Pokémon Go Training Club option. On the next page, click on Create an account. Choose your country or region, enter your date of birth and tap on Continue. Confirm your country and date of birth by tapping on Yes it is. Enter the email address you'd like to link or use for your Pokémon Go's account. Confirm it by re-entering your email address. Tick mark on the box to receive marketing communication latest message and tap on Continue. Agree to the terms and condition of Pokémon Go by tapping on Accept. Create your screen name and tap on Continue. On the next page, enter your username and create a password for your Pokémon Go's account and tap on Create Account option. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. A verification code will be sent to your email address. Enter a code sent to your email address and that's how you will be able to sign up for your Pokémon Go's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be looking forward to upload more videos for your convenience. If you found these tips helpful, hit that subscribe button so you won't miss our next tutorial on these videos. Join the community by subscribing for weekly tutorials like this one. Lastly, if this video has helped you, be sure to give a like and share it with your friend who might also need this information. Thank you so much for watching.